iPhone 17 Pro is just 2 months away from official debut, but leaked hands-on images are already generating buzz thanks to the bold redesign that has a significant departure in Apple's visual direction. As an Android user, you can see the more rounded middle frame on the iPhone 17 Pro prototype. If this design makes into production, it will finally push more Android OEMs to move away from the comfortable flat edges and adopt a friendlier ergonomics. It looks more like the iPhone 6s generation again. Perhaps the most striking change is the large full-width camera island on the back, reminiscent of the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra and the Google Pixel series. Despite the larger camera housing, the actual camera arrangement has not changed. You get the same triple lens system comprising a 48 megapixel main, 48 megapixel ultra wide, and 12 megapixel telephoto 5x camera, and it is positioned like the iPhone 16 Pro. But the expanded visor design makes it stand out in a completely different way. According to Apple analysts, the middle frame is made of aluminum, a step down from the titanium used in the Pro model. It is very interesting that iPhone 17 Pro models are rumored to be heavier, while the biggest rivals, Samsung, is getting slimmer and lighter, which might explain Apple's shift away from premium and more durable metal. The Apple logo appears to be lower on the back. It's a minor detail, one that's already dividing opinions online. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is set to share most of these features but offer a larger screen. With a full width camera island, new materials, and adjusted logo placement, the iPhone 17 Pro is shaping up to be one of the boldest visual refreshes Apple has made in years. Whether it will be embraced by the fans in large numbers like they sell currently 200 million plus phones, we'll get to see in September.